Elevate your IGA with compliant provisioning from Pathlock. Traditional IGA solutions provide the necessary framework for automating and documenting access provisioning processes. Pathlock goes beyond this framework by introducing a risk management layer, which means we have the ability to not only route requested access for review and approval, but to perform preventative SOD risk checks as well. The Pathlock access request experience is bolstered by a flexible and configurable Pathlock portal for an intuitive end-user experience. Customers can adjust the portals to their specific internal employee, contractor, and third-party requirements. This flexibility includes the visual layout of tiles, graphics, and names associated with each tile, as well as the availability of different tiles based on defined personas. Let's start the processes by requesting access. This leads to a secondary screen, which is also customizable, where we click Modify Access. Pathlock's compliant provisioning access request forms are built with the end user in mind. Users can easily select the system and the username. Selecting the Next button puts us in role selection, where we can remove roles or add them. In this example, we're going to add a role. Once added, executing a preventative risk analysis identifies all changes to the user's risk profile based on the change in access. In this example, the system clearly indicates that risks have been generated. This screen displays all the risks that are present for this user. The status column indicates if there is a pre-existing risk, which is old, or if it is a net new risk that is caused specifically by the change in access that we are attempting to perform. We can see that risk number 5 has a new risk occurring on multiple different line items. We can also see that risk number 9 has additional risks that are occurring because of this access. We can then move forward with submitting the request, which will be routed for review, approval, and mitigation of the risk prior to provisioning of access. This process ensures no net new risks are introduced into the application landscape without prior review and mitigation. Pathlock's compliant provisioning enables end users to be active participants in understanding and reducing overall organizational risk exposure.